Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important notification for civil engineering students from Assam Public Service Commission. Okay, let us see the detailed notification. So, in order to see this notification, you have to go to this URL apsc.nic.in/advt_2025.php #advertisement. So, this is the URL which you have to click. So, once you enter into the URL, so if you scroll down, you can observe here 05-2025 advertisement number. Try to remember this number. This will be helpful for further correspondence also. Then Junior Engineer Civil under the joint cadre of Public Works Roads Department and Public Works Building and NH Department. So to apply, you have to click here and application will start from 5th February 2025. Application will start from 5th February 2025. So then you can apply here from clicking this link. Okay. Now the last date to apply is 4th March 2025. The last date to apply is 4th March 2025. Now let us see the detailed notification and how many number of vacancies are there for this particular notification. Okay. So if you go into the detailed advertisement here, Assam Public Service Commission invites application from Indian citizens. So here this is for Junior Engineer Civil under the joint cadre of Public Works Road Department and Public Works Building and NH Department. So total number of vacancies here are 650, dear students. 650 vacancies are there. So let us see the breakdown of these weightage for different categories. So here you can observe for unreserved category, so total vacancies are 396. Then for OBC 157 are there. So then reserved for SC 27, then ST 34, so plus 16, total 50 vacancies are there. A grand total of 650 vacancies are there for this particular notification. Now let us see further details of this notification, the scale of pay. So here you can observe the scale of pay is in between 14,000 to 70,000, dear students, and grade pay is 8,700 and pay band is 2. Okay, before filling up the application form, candidates must note that the required certificates relating to age, caste and minimum educational qualification will be fetched from the OTR profile. So that means you have to do one-time registration before applying for this notification. Okay, so one-time registration will be available in this particular website of Assam Public Service Commission. So first do the one-time registration before applying for this notification. When you are doing one-time registration, then you have to keep all the certificates ready and upload them in the one-time registration form only. So from there itself, for this particular notification, the total documents will be fetched. Okay. Now let us go further. Eligibility criteria, the candidate must be an Indian citizen. This is one thing which has been mentioned here. Coming to the educational qualification, candidate must have 3 years diploma in civil engineering. So diploma in civil engineering and planning, construction technology from any technical institute recognized by AICTE. So upload relevant all semesters year mark sheet reflecting the subjects and final pass certificate also. The diploma course must be regular course. So no part-time course will be entertained. So diploma course obtained through distance mode of education by whatever name called will not be considered. That is what they have mentioned here. Then age limit, the candidate should not be less than 21 years of age and not more than 40 years of age as on 1st January 2025. That is what he has mentioned here. And age relaxation is given for certain categories by 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC, then for ex-servicemen. So they have given the age limit also. Kindly go through this age limits, dear students. Okay. Then coming to the starting date of online application form. Starting date of online application form is 5th February 2025 and closing date of online application form is 4th March 2025. Then last date for payment of application fee is 6th March 2025. Now let us see what is the application fee. So coming to the application fee, here you can see general category. So application fee plus processing fee plus taxes, everything together, you can observe here 297.2 rupees. Then OBC, MOBC 197.2, then SC, ST, BPL, PWBD, so 47.2. So this is the amount that you have to pay as the application fees. Okay. So fees once paid shall not be refunded under any circumstances, nor can the fees be held in reserve for any other examination or selection. So that is what he has mentioned here. So how to apply? Applicants are required to apply online through APSC's recruitment website. No other means, mode of application will be accepted and the application will be summarily rejected if you do so. Okay. So applicants who have not registered yet in online recruitment portal of APSC are first required to go to the APSC's recruitment website and register themselves by clicking on register here link and complete the one-time registration. So first you have to complete the one-time registration, then only you have to apply for this particular notification if you have not done one-time registration in the APSC website. Okay. So candidates are advised to register with valid and active email address in the online application. Interview schedule and requirements with regard to copies or certificates to be submitted in respect of claims made in the online application will be intimated to the candidate through the website of the commission in due course of time. That is what he has mentioned here. So after creating an account, applicants need to log in with the credentials. After logging in, applicants need to provide one-time registration details such as personal information, educational qualification, work experience, photo, minimum size 50 kb, maximum size 200 kb and not older than 3 months, and signature, minimum size 50 kb, maximum size 200 kb. That is what he has given. Okay. So then once you have done the one-time registration, then applicants can click applicant section, apply selection link for application form submission. This is what he has given. So candidate must submit the details of documents like certificate number, issue date, issuing authority and upload the documents or certificates wherever asked for in support of the claims made by them in the application form like date of birth, experience, qualifications, etc. Okay, all the files should be in PDF format. So here you can observe all the files should be in PDF format and should not exceed 2 MB size. Okay, pass certificate, mark sheet of the degree furnished must clearly state the name of the candidate and degree awarded to him, her or subjects are specified as per advertisement. Document details submitted in the online application form will be verified at the time of personal viva voce interview. So applicant should carefully fill the information and as asked in the application form and click on the declarations checkbox to enable the preview button before final submission. So once you check all the details, then go for submitting the application. So once submitted, you can't change, dear students. Kindly be careful, read the documents carefully and details carefully before submitting the application form. Okay. So coming to this, points to note. See here, the candidates before applying for the post should ensure that they fulfill all the eligibility conditions. Their admission at all the stages of selection in which they are admitted by the commission will be purely provisional under scrutiny. Okay, subject to their satisfying the prescribed eligibility conditions. So try to be careful with these information, dear students, before furnishing in the application form. Kindly go through all these points before applying for this one. Okay. So coming to the documents and certificates to be produced at the time of interview, the hard copy of the online application and the following original document certificates with self-attestation. So that means you should sign by yourself all the documents. And what are the documents that are required? Class 10th, 12th examination, admit card, pass certificate, mark sheet issued by Central State Board clearly indicating date of birth. Certificates and mark sheets of all examinations degree, diploma, certificate along with mark sheets pertaining to the academic years. Then caste certificate issued by Government of Assam for candidates seeking reservations. Okay, BPL certificate issued by Government of Assam. Then documentary support for any other claims made. So all these things he has mentioned. So kindly go through all the information, dear students, before applying for this one. So direct recruitment, the selection procedure will be notified later on, followed by issuing corrigendum or addendum. If required, the commission will decide the provision for selection in respect of any post or posts or services considering the status, cadre and grade or the number of applications received for the advertised post or posts or service or services. So coming to the zones, he has given the zones related information, under which zone you belong to. You just check here and then apply for this one. And here he didn't mention any selection procedure, dear students. First you apply, depending upon the number of candidates applying for this particular post, they will decide the selection criteria. Okay, so kindly go through the entire information and once again try to remember the dates at which you have to start this online application form and pay the fee payment. So try to be on time, dear students. Do the online application early. The starting date for online application is 5th February 2025 and closing date for online application is 4th March 2025. So don't go till the last date. So try to apply as early as possible, and last date for payment of application fee is 6th March 2025. Kindly remember these dates, dear students, and this is the URL which you have to remember. Okay, thank you, all the very best.